How to put someone else's post on your Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to post someone else's post on your Instagram story. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Instagram application on your device. And if you see a post you like and want to share it to your story, here's what to do. Simply, you need to first find the post that you want to share. So, suppose if this is the post, tap the paper plane icon at bottom right corner or the share button right next to the comment icon. Now, at the bottom, you can easily see few options like share, copy link, and add to story. Tap on add to story button. Now you will see the post appear in story preview mode. From here, you can easily add music, use stickers or effect and type some text and customize it however you like. Once ready, tap on the your story or the arrow icon at bottom right corner to publish it to your Instagram story. So if you don't see add to story option, it might be because the original poster has restricted sharing. In that case, you can take a screenshot of that post and then share that image to your story manually. So that's it. That is how you can easily put someone else's post on your Instagram story. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.